Hello, good morning. It is actually 12 o'clock. It's Thursday. I just uploaded my COVID vlog. I'm not feeling too hot today, but I just got back from Justin's. I've been there basically all week and I just want to come home. I miss my bed. Every single day, something that's made me feel really good is actually just showering, doing my hair, putting on clothes, and like filling in my eyebrows, honestly. It's just been helping me mentally, and it's just hard for me to be like super cooped up and not do anything. Obviously I don't feel good, so it's okay. Yesterday was a bad day. I did not feel good. Today I don't feel any better, although I might look it. But I'm hungry. I want to make an acai bowl, so that's what we're about to do. I also, if you can see, I am able to put my hair in a clip because I had to take my extensions out. They were so blown out. I was actually supposed to get my hair done the other day, but obviously I couldn't. And my appointment was already overdue to begin with, and I texted my hairdresser. I'm like, what do I do? They're falling out of my head, so uncomfortable. So Justin took them out with pliers. It was actually pretty easy. So yeah, we got the natural hair. It's so weird. I hate it because it's like so thin. I'm not used to it at all. I also have not had an acai bowl in so long, and I've been craving one. We're gonna do some spinach. Let's get some greens in there. I don't really know what we're gonna vlog today. I'm bored. I really haven't even been working simply because I cannot function. When I tell you, you know how there's like pregnancy brain, there's like COVID brain too. I like can't even form sentences sometimes. It's just like weird. I just don't have the brain power right now. It's just really weird, all of the different side effects and symptoms and whatnot, and it's just honestly been difficult to work. I watched about 8 hours of The Real Housewives of New York yesterday. It was really fun. All right, I'm gonna blend this up and then I'll show you guys my toppings. Nothing fancy though. If you're new to my channel and you've never seen me use the Ninja Foodie Power Blender, I think it's called, it makes the perfect acai bowl consistency. Ugh, it's perfect. If you don't have this, you need it. But I just added a couple blueberries in here and then a packet of the Trader Joe's unsweetened acai. I'm gonna throw some Catalina Crunch on here because I don't have any granola or anything, so. And then a little bit of a banana. And then this gross little concoction I made is a tablespoon of peanut butter and a tablespoon of PB Fit, and I combine it with water. It's also brown because it's the chocolate PB Fit, unfortunately, which is fine though because my Catalina's chocolate. And we're just gonna drizzle this on here. It looks like Nutella, I wish it was. And I'm gonna do a little bit of honey because why not? That's my oh no. Anyway, that's my finished bowl. I'm gonna eat this because I am starving, and I'll see you in a little bit. So I wanted to show you guys like a little bit of an outfit of the day slash haul. So you guys know I've talked about these before. It's the Hanes EcoSmart Lightweight. This is a men's XL. I'll do like a full mirror, show you whatever afterwards. But I just have this on and I decided to get it in white because it's just kind of like a necessity. And I wear literally like black, white, and neutral colors, and that's really it. So I picked up this and it's very cozy. It's actually a lot softer than my other ones. I don't know why. I guess maybe just because it hasn't been washed yet. I also got new socks that I really want to show you guys, and like I love a good sock. I don't know why, I just do. And they are these. They're just like white crew socks, and it came in a pack of 6 and they're so thick. Oh, my battery's dying. But they are the 1 sock, 2 sock, reinforced heel and toe cushion sole socks. They're really, really cushiony and they scrunch up really nice, so they look cute with like an oversized shoe. They look really good with my Yeezys actually, and I'm wearing them for the first time today and I really like them. And I'll obviously have like everything linked down below. And then I also got, these just kept coming up as an Instagram ad for me and I wasn't sure if I liked them. So can you guys let me know if they look good on my face, just because I have like a very big head. I'm well aware of that, and I don't necessarily know if they look good. So leave a comment down below because I would actually really appreciate it. You can tell me I look stupid, I don't really care. But they're the brand Sheen Kelly. They were like $12. So I wanted to try them out, and I've been seeing a bunch of people wearing this style of sunglasses, so I wanted to try it. And then I also got some booty bands. It comes in heavy, medium, and light. And I only opened the medium one, obviously, because I haven't been working out. COVID. But the medium is really, really nice. Actually, these seem really well made. Obviously, I'm so excited to start working out again. I cannot wait to get back in the gym after this is all over. But I thought these were really cool. And so far, so good. Let's try the heavy one. I bet you I'm not even gonna be able to move it. Oh my god, that's tough. I'm very excited to hit legs and knees, but I'll show you guys my outfit. So these are what the socks look like. They're very cushiony and nice. I like them a lot. I also recently got new Aligns. I got them. My mom was in town and we both got some new Lululemon stuff. So the feeling of a new pair of Aligns is like the best feeling in the world. Then I got this little crop top from Brandy Melville. I don't have a bra on, so I'm not gonna unzip. But I got matching shorts with this too, and I'm probably gonna go back and get this set in a bunch of different colors. I'll have it linked down below. I am obsessed with them. So here is my sick day outfit. I think I'm gonna bake something. Also, one more thing. I tried scrubbing this with laundry detergent and I finally was able to get a little bit out. So I'm hoping that by the end of the day, it'll eventually all come out. All right, we are back in the kitchen. I saw this recipe on TikTok, but I'm gonna tweak it a little bit. It's for peanut butter protein blondies. Let's try them. They're very low cal, high protein, and I haven't baked anything in a while and I really just want something sweet. I just preheated my oven at 350 degrees and she used regular peanut butter powder, but I only have the chocolate one and I'm trying to get rid of this so I can buy another one. So we're gonna do 1 cup of that and 3/4 of a cup of water. Let's get a whisk. There we have our chocolate peanut butter. Now, she does honey, but I'm gonna use some Carrie's sugar-free maple syrup. So 1/3 of a cup of that. She also uses stevia too. 1 egg. I also need my nails done so bad. It was a nail and a hair week for me, and sure enough, I get COVID during that week. So you best believe the first thing I'm doing as soon as I get out of this quarantine is getting that shit done. Oh my goodness, my camera's dying again. All right, we're gonna mix that up. And then she doesn't say how much baking soda she uses, but I'm just gonna do a teaspoon because that seems about right. I'm gonna do a splash of vanilla and some cocoa powder too. Okay, so batter is done. I'm gonna throw some chocolate chips in here. My camera's gonna die any second. And I'm gonna pop these in the oven for 30 minutes, she says. I'm gonna check it at like 15, 20, and come back to it and we'll see. Let's try the batter. Ooh. It tastes good. Okay, so I just took them out, but it is that time of day. If you guys watched my last vlog, then you would understand, but it is that time of day where where a wave of exhaustion hits me and I feel sicker than ever. So I'm gonna take my daily nap. I don't know how long I'm gonna sleep for, but yeah, it always hits me in the afternoon and I definitely need to sleep. I'm gonna try a little bite and then we're gonna go take a nap. Let's see. The texture is right and they were cooked for a perfect amount of time. Don't do any longer than 20 minutes. I mean, I don't hate them. So it's a bit later. I took a little nap and I feel a lot better now. It was nice, much needed. COVID's definitely kicking my butt. I was actually just able to place a Whole Foods order and I'm so happy because every time I've gone to check, there's been like no delivery times available and obviously I can't go out and get my groceries. So I'm gonna try and cook something. I cooked last night for Justin and I just haven't been in the cooking mood, obviously. I'm just kind of wanna lay down and do nothing. But I'm actually sauteing up some broccoli right now in some chicken broth. This has been my favorite way to do it. I basically get some chicken broth in the pan and then the chicken broth will eventually evaporate and I guess like kind of make a crust on the chicken. So it's, I mean, broccoli. So it's really nice and like crunchy and it'll be done in a few minutes, but it needs about 5 more minutes. So I was putting my laundry away and it accidentally burnt the pan a little bit, but you can see it kind of crisps up really nice. It's gonna be done, so. This is my pre-dinner snack. Gonna add a little bit of grated Parmesan. Hello, Justin. You miss me so much, don't you? I know this stuff is not good for you, but whatever. Let's see. Hey!
Hi.
My grocery groceries just arrived, so let's do a little haul. All right, so we got I was supposed to get like 4 cucumbers. I don't know what happened. That kind of sucks. Some almond milk because I desperately needed some Starbucks iced coffee. I've been on an iced coffee kick, so I've been drinking that every day. Some Smart Sweets. I don't know, I was in the mood for the sour ones, so we got those. I'm also gonna have some of these tonight. I haven't had them in a really long time because last time I had them, they really hurt my stomach, but we're gonna try them out tonight. I just got the Miracle Noodles. They are like 5 calories per bag. And then I got some Honeycrisp apples because I'm also on an apple kick. I have been loving apples. I've been having one like every single day. Then I got some mangoes for my smoothies, an avocado, some spinach. Been going through this like crazy. I needed some soap, and then some monk fruit sweetener. And then lastly, I got some of the Forager organic grain-free O's. These are pretty good. There was no chocolate Catalina in stock, so I had to go with these, which is whatever, but the macros on these are really good, and I used to like these a lot. Actually, I ate them a lot last quarantine. And then I got some bananas, but that's everything. I'm gonna go put this away and then get some more work done on my laptop. We are back in the kitchen. It is 6:30 and I'm ready to make dinner. We're gonna make some chicken pasta. Okay, so I just heated up my pan and I cut up about 160 grams of chicken, and now I'm gonna add some basil. I really love this stuff. I always find it at Acme, and I just, that was a little too much, but whatevs, we like the flavor, and it gives the chicken so much flavor. I'm just gonna throw some salt and pepper in there too. So I added some of the Rayo's tomato basil sauce, which I got all over my white sweatshirt, and I'm just gonna throw in a little bit of a serving of some of this almond milk mozzarella style shreds. Once again, I love these things. These are one of my favorite items to get from Trader Joe's because it is low cal and it does have 5 grams protein, which is really nice. Gotta finish it off with a little bit of that grated Parmesan because no pasta is complete without any. And I'm gonna go eat this and continue my binge of the Real Housewives of New York. All right, so I'm gonna end off today's vlog because, ow, this thing is like actually stuck in my hair, but I'm gonna end off today's vlog because it's like 8 o'clock now. I just turned on the Kardashians, and then Summer House is on at 9, and then Watch What Happens Live. So it's a good night for reality TV. So that is what I will be doing for the rest of the night. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me while I am quarantined. It's only a few more days. So that's gonna be it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.